Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see a Chettinad style curry Parupu Urundai Kolambu. For the Parupu Urundai, I am going to take half a cup of split chickpeas, that is chana dal. This is already soaked in water for about 1.5 hours. This I am going to add 1 tablespoon of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal. This is also soaked in water. To this add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, required amount of salt, 1 or 2 dry chilies, and a small piece of chopped ginger. You can grind this little coarsely but not as coarsely as you prepare for vada. Don't add any water. Be little careful, it should not become a paste. This seemed to be perfect, it is little coarse. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Here I am going to add shallot, and if you don't have shallots, you can go for onions. Add around 10 to 15 chopped shallots or a quarter cup of chopped onions. To this add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves, a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Now let us make small balls out of this. I am going to use idli steamer to steam this. You can use any kind of steamer. I have already filled water in the idli steamer and I am going to steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here our Parupu Urundai is ready. Take it out and set this aside. Next let us prepare curry for this. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal. Once the mustard starts popping, add 10 to 15 chopped garlics, half a cup of onions, a quarter teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, and few curry leaves. Saute everything well. The onions has to change its color, it has to become translucent. The onions are translucent now. At this stage add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Give a nice saute, the tomatoes has to get cooked well. After sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and the required amount of salt. Saute everything well till the oil gets separated. You can see here the onions and tomatoes are very well mashed. At this stage you can add the tamarind water. This is a lemon sized tamarind soaked in a cup of water for about 15 minutes and dissolved. After dissolving, filter it and use it for the curry. Here you can always adjust the water according to the consistency you want. Bring it to a boil and let this boil for about 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, drop the prepared ball into the curry. Close this and cook for another 5 minutes in medium flame or till the oil oozes out. Here you can see the oil got separated, so at this stage you can switch off the flame and add few chopped coriander leaves. So our Parupu Urundai Kolambu is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.